Hello everyone, my name is Giovanni and I am the owner of Giovanni's Manufacturing and Engineering LLC. It is a pleasure to meet all of you, and I will tell all of you about my company and why I think that you should invest into it. Now, starting off with some background information on my company is that I am a local machining shop using engineering skills and experience in the robotics industry. I graduated from MIT with a bachelor's degree in mechanical and manufacturing engineering. I am what you call a jack of all trades and a super genius. I've been very passionate about engineering ever since I was popped out of the womb. Now, what helped me start all this is me and my father. We both started from humbling beginnings and worked our way up. I'm sure that you don't really care that much, so I'll hop into my company portfolio. I have invested $100,000 so far into my company, and I first had to create my company by registering as an LLC. This costed me about $500. Then next, I had to locate a warehouse to remodel my machine shop. I signed a 2-year lease for $1,000 every month. This has costed me about $24,000 for 2 years. Then next, I had to invest into the machines. This is the most priciest part of all. So I decided to get one brand new machine, and I decided to use one used machine to save on costs, but this still had costed me about $50,000 for both of them. Then I had to invest into the new software for my engineering and robotics function, and this costed me around $25,000. So in all of that, it costed me a lot. But then I had to invest into another small robot for about $10,000. And after all of these pricey expenses, I was left with about $12,000, which I've mostly used on minuscule things. Now, to tell you about why you should invest into my company is this. If you invest into my company, there's so much potential for growth in opening different locations all around Texas, all around the United States, and expanding everywhere. We can work with all the big oil and gas companies, because did you know that Texas is the leading oil and gas producer in all of the United States? Yes, that is correct. And by machining the tools, we can make upwards of $100,000 overnight. That means if you invest now, we can make $100,000 and become millionaires soon. Now, having a machine shop with the right machines and the right engineers and collaborating with the best companies, we can make millions every year. Every year we can become rich, and all it starts is with you investing into my company. In fact, according to Texas2036.org, the machine shop industries in Texas is predicted to grow and reach about a market size of $3.3 billion by 2026. Isn't that crazy? and you and me will get a piece of that pie. Now, don't think that we have to start the end there. We can keep on going and start way more. We can even go national, and then we can even go global. The possibilities are endless. That's why I need your help to invest into my company, and you can get a piece of my pie, and and your investments and my skills can make us rich overnight, and it's a win-win scenario. And we can do great things for the world and everything around us. In fact, almost all of business around the world and everything around the world has everything to do with engineering. Everything from what you're watching this on is made from softwares and videos that was made from engineering. And everything that you hold and look at was machined and made with the engineering mind. Engineering is the biggest possibility ever. That's why investing with me can make us millionaires, because everything is tied with it. Thank you. This is my speech. Have a great day, and I'll be looking forward to doing some business with you. Goodbye.